we present Woki, the educational robot for programming with colors. Choose a challenge and ride the maze. Up to 60 predefined challenges. Get started in the world of programming. Plan the route and place the colored tiles. Solve the maze and guide Woki home. Program your movements, but be careful. Avoid ghosts, or you will have to start over. Enjoy hours of learning and fun without limits. 4 levels of difficulty to facilitate learning gradually. Amazing game board. Create your own mazes to develop your creativity. Woki, my first programmable robot.